Welcome to BMZ.
It means biology molecular zone.
So, we're kind of the new people here.
Pretty excited about our new project.
Yeah. So today, we're going to be exposing 3 different business owners that work for ANA Resp
Aerobic and anaerobic respiration incorporated.
to show you what they're all about.
These are the most richest and most powerful people in our society. We're going to start off with Ms. Glyco. She is the owner of a small business in charge of glycolysis.
BMZ, is that you, Miss Glyco?
Yes, sugar. Who are you?
I'm a reporter from TNZ. I'm Sarah. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Would you mind if I ask you a few questions about your business?
I guess.
Okay, first question. Is it true that your business creates 2 pyruvate molecules from 1 glucose molecule?
Yes. I think. I know.
Okay, where does this process occur?
In the site, I'm sorry, I've been gardening all day and I just can't remember, but I think it's the cytoplasm.
Why are you British?
I'm not British, I'm Southern.
It's an anaerobic process, correct?
Yes.
How much energy is used for this process?
12 ATP?
Really? I thought it was 2.
That's what I meant. I meant 2. I was just testing your knowledge, sweetie.
I did my research, ma'am. I have another question for you.
I think it's time for my insulin shot. I need to go.
Oh, okay.
I have diabetes. I could die at any moment. Thank
What
you.
are you doing, Miss?
Thank you for your time. I gotta go. I'll see you.
Why did he get scared?
Well, that was an interesting interview.
Anyway, next up, Mr. Krebs.
BMZ, Mr. Krebs, I have a few questions.
I'm sorry, I was on a business call. What?
So about the mitochondria, how do you feel about the Krebs cycle process occurring there?
Mitochondria. I think it's cool. Powerhouse of the cell, right?
Yeah. And next question, since most living cells use this aerobic process to generate energy, do you think that makes your business more important than the others?
Well, I think that everyone, equality, equality.
Okay, your products waste include what exactly?
Oxygen.
Carbon
dioxide. And, watermelon.
Water?
Yes, that's what I meant to say.
During this process, your business uses oxygen to convert ADP to energy-rich ATP. How do you do this exactly?
Why do you have so many questions for me?
Where are you going?
I'm trying to go home, okay?
Where?
To my house. Leave me alone, sir. What do you want from me?
Is that your car? Okay.
We had some suspicions about, I guess their position at the company, at the business, so we decided to conduct a second interview.
And here are the second interviews.
Miss Glyco? Is that you? What are you doing? Miss Glyco, it's BMZ. I have another question for you.
Hi, sugar. What do you need today?
I was just gonna ask you, do you know anything about your business?
Of course I do.
Okay, then please explain the process of glycolysis to me.
It's simple. Look.
No, Miss Glyco, come back here! Miss Glyco! Oh my god. She's gone.
Mr. Krebs! Mr. Krebs!
Oh my god.
Hey.
What are you doing here?
Hey, I was reviewing our footage from the other day, and I wanted to ask you one more question.
What question do you have?
Do you even know anything about your own business?
What do you mean? I'm the manager. I'm the owner of my
Are you
business.
sure?
Yes?
Then explain the whole process to me. Where are you going? Wait!
And lastly, we interviewed Mr. Electron, or as he prefers to be called, Mr. Tron. Hi, Mr. Electron.
Tron.
I was
Just Tron.
I was just here to ask you a few
I'm
questions
busy. Let me work.
about your business.
The electron transport chain is the last component of aerobic respiration and is the only part of glucose metabolism that uses atmospheric oxygen. Oxygen continuously diffuses into plants. In animals, it enters the body through the respiratory system. Electron transport is a series of redox reactions that resemble a relay race or bucket brigade in that electrons are passed rapidly from one component to the next, to the end point of the chain where the electron reduces molecular oxygen, producing water. There are 4 complexes composed of protein, and the aggregation of these 4 complexes, together with associated mobile accessory electron carriers, is called the electron transport chain. The electron transport chain is present in multiple copies in the inner mitochondrial membrane in eukaryotes and the plasma membrane in prokaryotes. Note, however, that electron transport chain in prokaryotes may not require oxygen, as some live in anaerobic conditions. The most common feature of all electron transport chains is the presence of a proton pump to create proton gradient across a membrane.
How do you know all that?
Well, Google.
Google? Wait,
Yeah.
is that what you all use?
If you're referring to Miss Glyco, Mr. Krebs, and I, then yes, of course we use Google. We don't know anything about our businesses.
Are you allowed to share that information? Beep! Basically, we've concluded that these people know nothing of their business.
Yeah, they just, well, Google everything and they don't do anything to help ANA Resp. They're just the face of the company.
Yes, Google is the real
T.
Google. Without Google, none of us would be here right now. So glycolysis.
We didn't learn much from those people that we interviewed, but we just wanted to basically give you a quick, simple little breakdown of each process.
Glycolysis is basically the breakdown of glucose by enzymes, and it basically releases the energy and pyruvic acid.
The Krebs cycle is, well, the sequence of reactions by which most living cells generate energy during the process of aerobic respiration. It takes place in the mitochondria, consuming oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water as waste products, and converting ADP to energy-rich ATP.
Glycolysis is the first stage of cellular respiration. Krebs cycle is the second stage.
Lastly,
Is
the electron transport chain.
Look, I just wanted. No, wait, look, I just wanted to show them this because look, it's funny. Focus. Oh, look. Wait, look. It's Mr. Krebs.
So the last part is the electron transport chain, which, like Tron was trying to explain really quick, is
It's Tron.
a series of complexes that transfer electrons from electron donors to electron acceptors. And it couples this electron transfer with the transfer of protons across the membrane. That helps in cellular respiration.
Yes.
Obama out. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in to BMZ.
Hope you
Liked the tea that was spilled.
piping hot.
Raspberry.
In conclusion, they know nothing.
And don't trust businesses.
Yes. Also, we'll miss you, Miss Wancho. Look at my muscles. Oh, did you hear my shoulder? It's supposed to be like that. Okay, bye, subscribe.